You don't need a website. What you need is a solution, but is the website a part of that solution? And that's something I want to talk to you guys about today. Hey, this is Alex Pro, and today I want to help you figure out if you actually need a website. Either you're working on your personal project or you're a business owner. These 4 questions that I'm gonna go over with you today will help you determine just that. The question number 1 you should be asking yourself is, what is the business objective? So defining the business objective is like defining what success looks, feels, and sounds like to you. When you know exactly what the objective is, you will be more motivated, you'll be more driven and facing the right direction towards achieving that particular goal that you set out for your project or business. The question number 2 you should be asking yourself is how you will achieve that objective. Defining the plan of action will actually help inspire you for action, so you're not just sitting there overthinking and keep planning on what your business might look like, what you will achieve. When you've done that, get down to planning out the action, and that will ultimately inspire you towards standing up and actually going and doing things rather than just thinking about them. Figuring out the how will put your plan in motion to achieving your business goal, and it will help you gain the right connections, will help you find the right tools, acquire the right skills, and build the right team to achieve your business goal. So now that you know your business objective and how you will achieve it, the question number 3 is how a website can help that. Really think about it. Will a website become a help or a drawback? Will you be able to invest a good amount of money into producing a good website that will help you with your goals and your business to grow? Or it will be another thing that you're not quite sure how to manage and how to utilize to achieve those goals? The time when it makes sense to have a website is when you can clearly see how you can align that website with your business objective. Now that you figured out that you need a website 100%, you decided it's gonna help you achieve your business goals, the question number 4 you should be asking yourself is, what is gonna be one particular function the website should perform? The benefit of defining one primary function for your website is that you'll be more focused on what really matters to achieve your business goal, as well as it will help people that are visiting your website to be more focused on what you're offering to them. So in the way, when people land on your website, you present them with a footpath that leads them to a particular outcome that is beneficial to you as a business, which in the end creates a conversion for you, and for the users, as in for your potential clients, the people that visit your website, it presents them with a clear path of finding out the information about your offer. Otherwise, if you design your website to perform many different functions, the chances are that the people that land on your website will get lost. There is no really a clear direction for them to figure out a solution to their problem, the problem that they came to your website to solve in the first place. And that primary function should always be aligned with your business objective, so you give it a focused direction towards achieving that particular goal. There you have it, 4 questions that you should ask yourself before even considering of getting yourself a website. So let's recap. 1. What is your business or project objective? 2. How will you achieve that objective? 3. How will your website help you achieve that objective? And number 4, what is the primary function your website should perform? Having detailed answers to all 4 questions will put you in a much better position to make a long-term decision of owning a website, a business tool that helps you achieve your goal. If this video was valuable to you, please like and subscribe to my channel. as I've got big plans to create more videos like this to bring you more value and help you be more successful. See you in the next one.